The 2025 Nissan Patrol represents a significant evolution in Nissan's lineup, blending robust performance with modern enhancements. This latest iteration introduces notable changes, particularly under the hood. The traditional V8 engine has been replaced by a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6, delivering 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. An alternative 3.8-litre, naturally aspirated V6 is also available, producing 318 horsepower and 386 Nm of torque. Externally, the Patrol maintains its commanding presence with a length of 5.2 meters and a weight exceeding to 0.7 tons. The design updates provide a modern yet familiar aesthetic. Inside, the cabin has been modernized to meet contemporary expectations. The infotainment system now features a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen, offering improved resolution and incorporating Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional amenities include a 15W wireless smartphone charging pocket and Hema off-road mapping, enhancing both convenience and functionality. Off-road capabilities remain a cornerstone of the Patrol's identity. The vehicle is equipped with independent suspension, featuring double wishbones and coil springs at each corner, complemented by Nissan's hydraulic body motion control system. This setup automatically adjusts tension to suit varying terrains, ensuring a balanced ride whether on highways or rugged paths. In summary, the 2025 Nissan Patrol offers a harmonious blend of power, modern technology, and off-road prowess, catering to both long-time enthusiasts and new drivers seeking a capable and contemporary SUV.